Good morning and welcome to all BSc second year students of Physics Science in online lecture series of paper 9 Fish Gear and Craft Technology. In this paper 9, up to here we have studied important points which is to be in your syllabus. Classification of fishing methods. Next point we have seen fabrication of fishing gears, then materials used for manufacturing of gears, then preservation, care, maintenance and preservation of gears. All these points, these are to be seen, these are to be studied during last few periods, few parts. Now boys, we have seen today the next important article, next important point, and that next important point is the introduction and classification of fishing craft. Introduction and classification of fishing craft. We have known that fishing is the art of catching the fishes or aquatic animals, and when this art of catching these aquatic animals or fishes from different sources, that source may be fresh water or that source may be marine water. From these sources the fishes, these are to be caught, these are to be captured, and for catching these fishes in inshore water, in offshore waters of rivers, tributaries, lakes, ponds, reservoirs, or those are the available water sources. And fishes, these are to be caught, these are to be captured either from inshore waters or offshore water from seas and oceans. Particularly the fishes, these are to be caught, these are to be captured in larger water bodies such as reservoirs, such as lakes or ocean and seas. In these larger water bodies, it is to be essential to capture the fishes, and for catching fishes some base or platform is to be essential on which fishermen can be sit down, on which fishermen can be operate their nets. That's why that base on which net operating these are to be done, that base is to be important, it is to be nothing but the craft. One by one we have seen. First, introduction, classification of these fishing craft which is to be found, which is to be used in Indian waters, Indian regions. Yes, introduction and classification of fishing craft in India. Fishing is the art of catching. Fishing is the art of catching not only the fish but also other aquatic animals is called as fishing. Fishing is the art of catching not only catch the fish but other aquatic animals such as prawn, such as mollusk, such as crabs, or other variety of animals, octopus, loligo, sepia, mytilus, chang, all these aquatic animals, to catch, to capture. Fishing is the art of catching not only catch the fish but also other aquatic animal. It is called as fishing. Any instrument that can be used, any instruments that can be used for catching fish or any aquatic animals that are called as fishing gear or nets. The any instrument which is to be useful to catch, to capture the aquatic animal, that instrument is called as the craft. A fishing gear is any device. A fishing gear is any device used to catch fish in commercial fishing. To catch the fish with the help of gear, with the help of net, and this net or this gear is a device. To this device fishermen catch the fish in commercial way, in commercial manner. Commercial way, commercial manner. The implements used for catching fish. The implements used for catching fish are called as fishing gear and working platform to reach the fishing grounds and to conduct fishing operations is called as fishing crafts or fishing boats or fishing ships or fishing vessels. What is meant by fishing craft? What is meant by fishing vessels, fishing ships or fishing boats? One and the same. The implements or the instrument used for catching fish. The implement which is to be used for catching fish are called as fishing gear or fishing net, and working platform to reach the fishing ground. Through these platform, fishermen can reach through these platform. Fish catcher, these are to be reached to the fishing ground, that may be inshore water, that may be offshore water, and it can be used different types of nets or gears to capture the fish. That instrument, that platform, that instrument, on which instrument fishermen can sit down or fishermen can operate their nets or gear, that instrument, that implement or that platform is called as the fishing boats. That platform is called as fishing craft. That platform is also called as ships, or that platform is called as, when it is to be in larger size, it is called as vessels. Means these vessels, these craft, these ships, these are the base or these are the platform. On these platform fishermen can sit down. On these platform fishermen can seated, and they can operate different types of nets according to their ways, according to their manner. Such type of platform is called as fishing crafts, or it is called as fishing boats. It is called as fishing crafts or fishing boats. A fishing gear is any device. Fishing gear is any device that could be used to catch fish or aquatic animals. Any device, any net which can be used to catch fish or in aquatic animal in commercial fishing. In commercial fishing, that device, that platform, it is to be used all over Indian region, all over Indian area. That platform, that base is called as the fishing crafts, or it is called as fishing boats or fishing ships or fishing vessels. The study of fishing gear and nets. The study of fishing gear and nets and crafts should aim to understanding the principles involved in the design and working of the gear, so that its efficiency in economic fishing could be judged. Why this craft and gear, these are to be studied? Why this craft and gear, these are to be for our syllabus? Because those craft, those gear, these are to be used to capture fishes from inland water and from marine water. To study the fishing gear and nets and craft should aim to understanding the principles involved in the design and working of the gear and craft. Which principle these are to be used? Which design these are to be used for working of these gears and these craft? And how its efficiency these are to be judged? How its efficiency these are to be in economic fishing? These are to be working out, these are to be judged out, to working out its efficiency. This fishing craft and gear, these are to be important. Fishing is considered to be the earliest form of hunting. Fishing is to be considered to the earliest form of hunting and the world's oldest industry. Fishing is the earliest form of hunting, and it is the world's oldest industry. Fishing methods is the manner Fishing methods is the manner or method in which the fish may be captured. Fishing method is the manner or methods in which the fish may be captured. Fishing techniques includes fishing gears as well as fishing methods. Fishing techniques include fishing gears, fishing craft as well as fishing methods, in which method these fishes, these are to be caught, these are to be captured. Or any instrument which can be effectively operated, to catch the fish or aquatic animals. Any instrument which can be effectively operated to catch the fish or aquatic animals, called as fishing nets or gears. The fishing technology is a subject of enormous complexity. This fishing technology, craft and gear, these are the enormous complexity, and on these complexity, these craft and gear, these are to be operated in different areas, different water sources, on a platform, on a base, and that platform is nothing but the craft and boats or ships. There are many types of fishing crafts being successfully made and used for marine and inland fisheries to capture the fishes. Means to capture fishes from freshwater resources as well as marine water resources. In both these sectors, there are many types of fishing boats. These craft boats, these are to be being successfully made and used for marine and inland fisheries in Indian region, in Indian waters. Then these fishing craft and fishing gears, again these are to be categorized, these are to be divided into two ways, two manner. The fishing craft, fishing gear, these are to be categorized into two ways, two manner. Non-mechanized fishing crafts, non-mechanized fishing gears. Non-mechanized fishing craft. What is meant by non-mechanized fishing craft? Those fishing crafts were used in fresh water or marine water. The fishing craft, these are to be used in fresh water or marine water to capture and to collect captured fishes. From the offshore water toward the inshore water, toward the collecting center, toward the bank side of the water bodies. Collecting center, the craft is used. These craft, these are to be simple, not developed, and these craft, these are to be used, these are to be manually operated means with manpower. These machines, these boats, these are to be operated. There is no electrical powered machines by legs or by hands. These boats, these are to be operated by paddles, and these boats, these can be operated by fishermen themselves with their energy. Such fishing craft is called as the non-mechanized fishing craft. What is non-mechanized fishing craft? Remember that those fishing craft were used in fresh water or marine water to capture and capture fishes from offshore water or marine offshore water area. From offshore water toward the collecting center, the craft is used, and these are simple, not developed, and no electrical powered machines are fitted inside the boats, inside the ship. They can be operated by fishermen themselves. These fishing craft is called as non-mechanized fishing craft. Or Fail to capture and collect the captured aquatic animals. To capture and collect the captured aquatic animals such as fishes, prawns, and molluscs from the catching area in the deep rivers or sea, and away from the bank of the fresh water or ocean water. The crafts were used. The crafts, the boats, the ships were used, and these boats, these ships, these crafts are well developed, modern, and use of electric power machines for operation automatically, generated electric current. These machines are to be automatically powered by supplying electric current, which is to be operated. That boat, that craft is called as mechanized fishing craft. Both these are opposite to one another. Non-mechanized, no any electric power development, no development. It is ancient, traditional, no modernization. These are to be occurred, no modern techniques tools. These are to be non-mechanized fishing craft. Mechanized fishing craft, all modern techniques tools. These are to be used, and fishes, these are to be caught. These are to be captured by operating a electric power machine, boats, ships, or vessels, which is to be automatically operated, automatically working. Such fishing boat, such fishing craft is called as the mechanized fishing craft. When to capture and collect the captured aquatic animals. When to capture and collect the captured aquatic animals such as fishes, prawns, and mollusks from the catching area in fresh water or deep sea water, and away from the bank of ocean water, the crafts were used. These are well developed, modern, and are of electric power machines for operation automatically. Electric power machines for operation automatically, generated electric current. Such type of craft, such type of boat, such type of ship, or such type of vessel is called as the mechanized fishing crafts. Mechanized fishing craft. In ancient time, in ancient period in Indian region, both east coast, west coast as well as inland waters, maximum boat, maximum craft, these are to be used. These boats, these craft, these are the non-mechanized. These are traditional, non-developed, not modern techniques and tools. These are to be used, not the horsepower machines for moving, for working the boats or ships is to be used. That is called as non-mechanized fishing craft. Non-mechanized fishing craft. These non-mechanized fishing craft as well as the mechanized fishing craft, these are to be important for the study of fish catching in both inland water as well as the marine water. Or it is important for study of boats, craft in fresh water or the salt water. These boats, these craft, these are to be categorized on the basis of where crafts are used, on the basis of where crafts are used to capture and collection of these fishes. The crafts are divided into two types. Crafts are divided into two types as one, inland or freshwater fishing crafts. Inland or freshwater fishing crafts. And second, marine water fishing craft. Means the fishing craft, fishing boat, these are to be classified, these are to be divided on the basis or according to the craft which is to be used for collection and capture of fishes. Where these craft, these are to be, whether it is to be used in fresh water, it is called as freshwater fishing crafts, or it is also called as freshwater is also called as inland water, it is called as inland water fishing craft. And second is the marine water fishing craft. When craft these are to be operated, these are to be used in seas and oceans from east coast to west coast, from coastal area to capture, to collect the fishes. That craft is called as marine water fishing. And second criteria, on the basis of development and use of electric power machines. On the basis of development, techniques, tools and use of electric power machines. The craft, the gears, these are to be divided. These are to be categorized into two types as non-mechanized fishing crafts and second mechanized fishing crafts. Non-mechanized fishing craft, the fishing crafts, boats or the ships which is to be not developed, traditional, not developed, traditional, not use of electric power machines, horsepower machines. These boats, these ships, these are to be operated by fishermen manually with their paddles, manually with their, that is the part such as paddle like structure, and with this paddle fishermen can move from one part to another part. Such boats, such craft or such vessels, ships is called as the non-mechanized fishing crafts. And second is the opposite to the non-mechanized fishing craft, that is mechanized fishing crafts. Mechanized fishing crafts, those boats or those ships, these are to be well developed, modern techniques, tools, these are to be used, and these are to be operated by electric power generation machines, horsepower machines. Horsepower machines operated from one water body to another water body to capture, to collect the fishes. Such type of boat is called as mechanized fishing craft. And efficiency of this mechanized fishing craft, these are to be tremendous and more maximum as compared to the non-mechanized fishing craft. Hence, means on the basis of development, non-mechanized and mechanized, and on the basis of where these are to be used, either it is to be inland water or marine water. These different types of craft, these are to be classified, these are to be seen. Up to here we have seen, we have studied simple, that is the introduction, craft or gears, ships or boats, these are to be used to capture fishes as a platform, as a base, and on this basement, on this base fishermen can sit it, fishermen can fit their nets, gears, and they can be moved from inshore water to offshore water. And then it is to be whether fresh water used in rivers, whether marine water used in sea water or ocean water. Then second, it is to be mechanized and non-mechanized. Up to here we have seen. Any problem, any difficulty, please ask. In next part we have seen next. Thank you all of you.